Hello everybody, my name is Michael and welcome to this video. Like the title says, a tutorial of the song Your Spirit by Tasha Cobbs. Now the song is in the key of F sharp minor, and this is F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Now the chorus goes like this. I'll be telling you the progression, the key itself, so like the name of the key, and I'll just give you a little context by singing along. So, here we go. Chorus is 1, 6, 7, 5, and that's F sharp minor, D major, E major, and C sharp minor. So it's not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. Now I'm just playing the octaves on my left hand, but this is also the right hand chords you'll be playing as well. F sharp minor, D major, E major, and C sharp major. I'll just run through those again. It's F sharp minor, which is F sharp, A, and C sharp. And then D major, which is D, F sharp, A. And then E major, which is E, G sharp, and B. And then C sharp, the last chord for the chorus is, C sharp, E, and G sharp. So I'll just play that one through. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. And that's the chorus. Now the verse. Now the verse is also pretty simple, 4 progression chords, and those are the progression. Just tell you the progressions. It's 1, 3, 7, 4, and those are in key terms. It's F sharp minor, A major, E major, and B major. And the chords for those on your right hand is F sharp minor before, so it will be F sharp, A, and C sharp. And for the A major rather, it's A, C sharp, and E. And then for the 7, or E major, it's E, A, G sharp, and B. And then the last chord is B, D, F sharp. So I'll just run that through in context. It goes like this. You are the fire, we are the temple, you are the voice, we are the sun. You are a God, we are your people, you are the light, we're standing on. Which is the next part, which is the pre-chorus, and it goes to we stand in awe of you. And so basically, as you just saw, from the B major, there's a walk up, which is the walk up C sharp minor to D major. And then, so like I said before, C sharp minor is C sharp, E, and G sharp, which is D, and then to D major, which is D, F sharp, and A. So I'll just go from the end of the verse, which is the B, and that's the walk up to the pre-chorus. So from the walk up, we enter the pre-chorus, which is a little complicated, and I will explain that to you as we move along. So from that walk up, once you end there, you go to number 1, which is F sharp minor, and that's F sharp, A, and C sharp, and then to 7, which is E major, which is E, F sharp, not F sharp, G sharp, and B, to 5, which is C sharp minor, which is C sharp, E, and G sharp. Now the second part, which is why I say it's complicated, you go to 6 plus a 7. on the top, which is a D major 7. So that's D, F sharp, A plus a C sharp. And you can play the C sharp down in here as well if you wish. And then you go back to the 1, the 7, and now the 5 is not a minor, it's a major. So I'll just show you that from the top. Once we go to the walk up, go to 1, standing in awe of you. Now the 6 plus 7, we stand in awe of you. Now the C sharp major, which is C sharp, F, and G sharp. So I'll just show you that last bit again from the D plus 7. Standing in awe of you. And that's the pre-chorus. Now the last part, which is the bridge, is quite simple. It goes like this. You use the 6 plus the 7 that we were using before. So breathe to number 7 on the 7 chord, which is E major to 1, just F sharp major, and then back to E major. Just put that in context. It's breathe, breathe on us, Spirit, breathe, breathe on us. Excuse my singing. But yeah, that's Your Spirit by Tasha Cobbs. That's about it. You're free, of course, you add your own little jazz or additions, extensions, whatever to the song. But yeah, that's it. It's quite simple. I love the song. It ministers a lot to me. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope you liked it. Please do like it if you like it. Share the video, etc. All the YouTube stuff. Comment, and yeah, thank you so much. It's Michael again, and yeah, see you next time, I guess. Goodbye.